This is the big city, a city in big trouble, for it is here that the police have tried in vain to capture that messy little criminal, Louie, the litter bug.
Now to do my dirty work.
But at this moment, the police are planning one last desperate effort. And so, gentlemen, I have made my decision. I will use the hotline to our secret agent.
Hello there. This is Secret Agent WOODY.
Okay, Woody, I'm turning the job over to you. I want you to bring in Louie the litter bug.
Will do, Chiefy. Consider it done.
The police have announced today that the search for Louie the litter bug has been turned over to Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker.
That's a laugh. That dumb nut couldn't find the seeds in the watermelon. Here he comes.
I'll turn on the radar. Whoa, there he is. Ow, 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 ow. Now the old fountain pen. Now I'm going to rub him out. He can't get away. I'll send up my radio-controlled helicopter with TV camera. I will direct it over those buildings. Now I'll turn on my wrist TV set. Uh-huh. There he goes. I'll hit him off at the corner. Give up, Louie. I got you now.
Oh, no. I got you.
For the benefit of those who may have missed that, we will show it again through the magic of the instant replay. Now, once more, for your double pleasure, we'll show you this again.
If they think I'm going to go along with that instant replay stuff again, they're crazy. Watch me this time.
Some people are sure careless. All right, Litterbug, let's go. Hey, you in there, Louie? Well, doggone. Wow, that was close. have just captured Louie the Litterbug.
Well done, Secret Agent Woody. And here's your reward.
All in a day's work, Chief. Goodbye. Well, that'll buy a lot of birdseed.
Stop! Litterbug!
Secret Agent Woody Woodpecker.